Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to see the topic perimeter and area in this self-practice 14C. Let's see the first question. Find the area of the parallelogram. So this is a diagram of parallelogram. So base of the parallelogram is 5 centimeter. Height of the parallelogram is 4 centimeter. So we want to find the area of the parallelogram. So if you want to find the area of the parallelogram means we need to know the formulas. The area of the parallelogram formula is base into altitude. Altitude is the meaning is height of the parallelogram. So area of the parallelogram, it's equal to base into altitude. Altitude is the meaning is height of the parallelogram. So base is 5 centimeter, altitude is 4 centimeter. So 5 4s are 20 centimeter square. So answer is area of the parallelogram is 20 centimeter square. Area of the parallelogram, it's equal to 20 centimeter square. Next question. Use the area of the parallelograms to find their missing base or height. Here first question, area is 88 centimeter square, base is 11 centimeter, height is missing. So we want to find height of the parallelogram. So height of the parallelogram formula is height, it's equal to area by base. So given area is 88 centimeter square by base is 11 centimeter. So 88 by 11, we can cancel in 11 table, 1s are 8s are. Centimeter, we can cancel one time. So height of the parallelogram is 8 centimeter. So answer, height is equal to 8 centimeter. Next question, area is equal to 126 meter square, height is 9 meter, base is missing. So base formula of the parallelogram is base is equal to area by height. Area is 126 meter square by height is 9 meter. So 3 table we can cancel. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 2 3s are 6. Again we can cancel in 3 table. 1s are 14s are. Meter also we can cancel one time. So base is 14 meter. Therefore answer is base of the parallelogram is 14 meter. Next question, the area of the parallelogram is 216 square centimeter and the base is 6 times the height. Find the parallelogram height. So area of the parallelogram is it's equal to 216 centimeter square, base is 6 times height. So height is not given, so that only we want to find out. So write height as it is h. So 6 into h is equal to 6h. That is our base. Height is equal to h as it is. Then area of the parallelogram, it's equal to base into height. So area of the parallelogram 216 centimeter square, base is 6h, into height is h. So 6h into h is 6h square. So it is a multiply. If you are bringing your left hand side, it should be divide. So h square is equal to 216 by 6. We can cancel in 6 table. 1s are 3 6 are 18. Balance is 3. 36. 6 6 are 36. So h square is equal to 36. We want to find height. So h only we want to find. So h is equal to square root of 36. So height of the parallelogram is 6 centimeter. 6 6 are 36. The square root of 36 is 6 centimeter. So answer, height of the parallelogram it's equal to 6 centimeter. Next question. The area of the parallelogram in a stained glass window is 120 square centimeter. Height is 10 centimeter. What is the base? So if you want to find base means the formula is area divided by height. Base is equal to area divided by height. So given area of the parallelogram is 120 centimeter square. Height is 10 centimeter. So centimeter we can cancel one time. 0 0 we can cancel. So 12 centimeter, and therefore base of the parallelogram is it's equal to 12 centimeter. Next question. Find the shaded area. All measurements are in centimeter. So here we want to find only the shaded area. This outer shape belongs to rectangle. Inner we are parallelogram. So first calculate area of rectangle, then area of parallelogram. Both area you can calculate. Subtract, you will get the in between the shaded area. So biggest area is it's a rectangle. So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, square units. So given length is 60 centimeter and breadth is 80 centimeter. 6 8s are 48. Add 2 zeros, centimeter square. So this is the area of rectangle. Next we want to calculate area of parallelogram. It's equal to base into height. So the height is 45 centimeter. So the base is here 55 centimeter means opposite side also 55. So the base of the parallelogram is 55 centimeter. Then height is 45 centimeter. So 55 into 45 is 2475 centimeter square. So if you want to find out the shaded area means biggest area minus the smallest area. Biggest area is area of rectangle. Smallest area is area of the parallelogram. So area of the shaded region it's equal to area of rectangle minus area of parallelogram. So area of rectangle is 4800 centimeter square minus area of parallelogram is 2475 centimeter square. So both the area you can subtract. If you are subtracting 2325 centimeter square. So the area of shaded region is 2325 centimeter square. So therefore area of the shaded region it's equal to 2300 centimeter square. Next question. A lawn in the shape of a parallelogram. The base is 15 meter, height is 18 meter. You can plant 15 square meter of grass per minute. How long it will take to plant the lawn? So the lawn is in parallelogram. So first we want to calculate what is the area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram. It's equal to base into height. So the given base is 50 meter, height is 18 meter, 15 into 18 is 900 meter square. So time taken to plant 15 square meter is per minute, means we want a 900 meter square. What is the time taken to plant? We want to find out. Time taken to plant 15 meter square is per minute. We have 900 meter square, so we want to calculate time. Time taken to plant 900 meter square is 900 divided by 15. So 15 table we can cancel 1 sir. 60 sir. So it's a 60 minute, and we know very well 1 hour is 60 minute. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So time taken to plant 900 meter is 1 hour. Therefore, answer, time taken to plant 900 meter square is 1 hour. Next question, the area of the rhombus is 60 meter square. Its perimeter is 400 meter. Find altitude. So we want to find height of the rhombus. Area of rhombus is 60 meter square. Perimeter of the rhombus 40 meter. So perimeter of rhombus is, formula is perimeter of the rhombus is equal to 4 into side. So rhombus is given, perimeter of rhombus calculated is 40 meter, 4 into side. So first calculate side. So 4 it is multiply, if you are coming this side, division, 40 meter by 4, cancel 1s are 10s are. So side of the rhombus is 10 meter. We want to find height of the rhombus. So that means altitude. So area of the rhombus formula is base into height. So area of rhombus already it is given 60 meter square. So 16 meter square is equal to basis, that is side of the rhombus, 10 meter into altitude. So 10, if you are coming this side, it should be division. So height is equal to 60 meter square by 10 meter. So the height is, so height is 6 meter. Therefore, answer, altitude is equal to 6 meter.